Welcome to our discussion on achieving healthy, shiny, and youthful-looking hair. The cuticle, the protective outer layer of your hair, plays a vital role in determining its appearance and vitality. In this video, we explore the microscopic world of hair cuticles, unveiling the difference between healthy and damaged hair. By understanding the state of your cuticles, you can adopt daily habits to ensure your hair remains a shining emblem of health. Imagine peering at the surface of your hair through a powerful 500 times microscope. This view reveals the condition of the cuticle layer of your hair, giving valuable insights into its health. In this micrograph of healthy hair, you will notice cuticles meticulously aligned and closed. This arrangement allows light to bounce off the surface, creating a natural, radiant shine. When others see your hair, they perceive it as a symbol of youth and vitality. Contrastingly, this photomicrograph illustrates damaged hair. The cuticles are open, resulting in the inability to reflect light effectively. This leads to the appearance of dull, lackluster hair. Moreover, excessively open cuticles facilitate the escape of internal moisture, leaving the hair prone to breakage and split ends. To maintain health, shine, and youthful appearance of your hair, daily habits are paramount. Consider using natural herbs to treat your hair. Natural herb treatments can breathe life into your locks, restoring their vitality and shine. By harnessing the power of nature, you are giving your hair the nourishment it needs to thrive. Remember, healthy hair with aligned cuticles reflects light effortlessly, contributing to a youthful and vibrant appearance. Embrace these daily habits and consider exploring natural herb treatments for an extra boost. Thank you for watching. And here is to your journey towards stunning, shiny, and ageless hair.